Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing a lot of queries that have been posted in the comment section of today's video that I posted regarding Gen Z interviews. Many of you have faced many problems and you have confused now that what you have to do. So guys, kindly make sure that you watch it till the end so that you can get to know the answers to your queries. And guys, if any query is left untouched, then you can always write that query again in this video's comment section. I will make another video to clear that queries. So now guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, please subscribe it, as well as join my Telegram groups also. The links are in the description box. And guys, today only I have uploaded 3 Gen Z interview experiences that happened today only. So kindly make sure to watch that video because many of you have interviews tomorrow also, as well as day after tomorrow. So kindly watch those videos, they will be beneficial for you. So now let's just see the queries first. Okay, so as the first query that has been mostly asked is, I had the interview today but due to technical issues it wasn't held. Now what to do? Guys, this particular problem has been faced with many candidates. I have talked with many people on Telegram and they face the similar issues that the time slot that they were told the interviews were not held. They were told that due to technical issues the interview could not be completed. They have received these kind of mail. So guys, kindly do not panic. They should reschedule your interviews to the new slots. Do not panic, just keep on preparing for your interviews. The rescheduled interviews can be in the end of this week also, or in the starting of the next week also. I'm not sure, but this is only the time period where Cognizant just, if they reschedule, they just give the new slots within a week. So keep preparing and keep preparing well for your interviews. And again, if you have not watched the interview videos that I have posted today, kindly watch them. So guys, many of you in this particular query has received from them that due to technical issues the interview could not be processed, but many of you have not received any mail. You were just sitting for there for 1.5 hours and you did not got any mail. So for those people, kindly reply back to those HRs from which you received the slot. You can talk to them and you can reply them that these all things happened and what to do now. So they will definitely see your query and go ahead with it, because many of you in the slot of 1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. many of you have faced this particular thing, and also the people from morning slots as well as from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. also some of the students have faced these issues. So this will be resolved and your interview will be definitely rescheduled. So keep on preparing and do not just get demotivated. So I hope this particular query has been solved by me, and if you have more queries, kindly give in the comment section. Now the next question was, I am from EC background. So let me just take it, and I am from non-CS background. I am from non-CS background. I am weak in coding language. Is there any chance to get selected? So guys, definitely yes, that there is chance for non-CS background students to get selected in Cognizant. And guys, many of you will be having interviews tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So kindly do not waste your time if you do not know coding, because in Cognizant there are a lot of questions in coding only that they are repeating. So let's just take an example of coding question first. So there are commonly asked questions like Fibonacci series is there, reverse of an array is there, prime numbers in a given range is there. So these type of questions are definitely getting repeated in Cognizant Gen Z interviews. And guys, if you want to get selected in Cognizant despite being a non-CS background student, then guys you will have to study the core subjects of IT like OOPS you must know and DBMS you must know. So all these things you must know, from basic to medium level you must know these things. And guys, if you do not know these things, then I have for you only, I have 2 videos on my channel in which I have discussed the most commonly asked OOPS interview questions as well as most commonly asked DBMS interview questions. So kindly go through these 2 videos before your interview if you are weak at these subjects, because the questions from these subjects will be definitely asked from you. There can be 1 or 2 core questions from your subject also, but the majority of the questions will be from your projects, OOPS and DBMS, as well as 2 to 3 aptitude questions can be also be asked. So kindly prepare these 2 subjects only from IT thing and you will be good to go for your interviews. And kindly do not get demotivated that I do not know this subject, will I be selected or not. You can always watch these type of videos on my channel also, on different channels also, but keep on studying till you do not give your interview. So I hope this thing is clear to you. Now the next question is, after interview how much time to wait for results? So guys, we cannot predict the results that when these companies declare the result, but I suggest you at least wait wait for a month, but keep on applying to different companies if you get an opportunity. Do not think that yes, my interview was good, then I will definitely get selected in these companies, because the results are unpredictable. At least wait for 1 month before the results are declared, and if in between you get a good opportunity for applying to different companies, keep on applying and keep on giving the interviews, and do not settle for this company at present when you do not have any results in your hand. So I hope I have made this point also clear. Now the next question is, I got mail that I am selected for interview, but I didn't got any slot. So guys, there are two kind of people today that got the slot, but when they reach the interview place, their interview got cancelled due to technical issues. But there are also certain people who in the first week of November got that they have been shortlisted for the interview, but till now they have not got any slot. So again guys, there are a lot of people who are giving interviews. They cannot conduct large amount of interviews in just 2 to 3 days. The interviews happen in phase wise manner. Again, some of interviews are happening this week. Maybe there is possibility that some of the interviews will be happening next week also with new slots. So guys, keep on preparing. If you have got the mail for the interview selection that yes, you have been shortlisted for the interview, just keep on preparing, and one day you will definitely get this slot for your interview also. So guys, these were the 4 queries that I picked up for this particular video. I hope I have made most of the things clear in your head, and if you have more such queries, then kindly write down in the comment section of this video. I will definitely make a next video for clearing those queries also. Guys, if you liked the video and your queries got solved, kindly hit the like button as well as subscribe button for this channel, and kindly show your support towards this channel. Thank you for watching it.